Sold exclusively with a front-wheel drive layout, the 2022 VW Taigo will be gasoline-only variant as VW is gradually moving away from its TDI engines. Customers will get to pick from the usual 3-cylinder 1.0-liter and a bigger and more powerful 4-cylinder 1.5-liter unit. The 3-cylinder is good for 95 horsepower and 110 horsepower options, while the 4-cylinder is rated at 150 horsepower. Depending on the engine choice, the Taigo comes with a 5 or 6-speed manual along with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. More details can be found in the description below.